Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and just wanted to talk a little bit about something that I get asked quite regularly, and it's the size of the different Windows updates, and also something that a lot of people have the impression that they can do when actually they can do it. So first of all, it's the size of the updates that are coming. So there's a November 2019 update coming up. The November 2019 update will be a cumulative update. We already mentioned that. So it's a smaller update than what we had previously. It will be a few hundred megabyte downloads, but it's not going to be a big update like, the regular feature updates like the May 2019 update. So that one will be just a few hundred megabytes, depending on all the updates that you already have on your machines. Where it gets bigger is the 20H1, what we will have next year, early next year. That update 20H1 is gigabytes. It's like 3 gigabyte download roughly. So that's important to understand that these major updates, the one that are basically, full Windows installs, are much bigger in size. One of the things also that is to understand that a lot of people seem to not grasp is that I constantly get people saying, well, I download the image of Windows 10, but I can't burn it on a DVD. It's too big. It's not. The standard Windows download is roughly 4 gigabytes. So that fits on a regular 4.7 gigabyte regular DVD-R. So you should be able, using software, to burn it on a DVD. I actually don't even use software. I just right-click on the image once it's downloaded and have it simply burned on a DVD. And it does fit. People that say it doesn't fit, you're not doing it right, or you don't have the right image, because it totally fits. The regular size of the DVDs and of the images of Windows 10 have stayed fairly constant from the start of 2015 until now. And actually, I've done a DVD with the May 2019 update for a friend of mine, and it works fine. So we'll be looking at that for sure. But it actually should fit on a DVD. If it doesn't, you need to check out what you're doing wrong, or maybe where you're getting the image. Be very careful to download the image from the Microsoft website officially. So that is important to note. So roughly November 2019 update, a few hundred megabytes, and the 20H1 version of next year will be around 3 gigabytes of download. So that's the standard. And the May 2019 update, by the way, for those that still aren't there, is roughly 3.2 gigabytes in a download size. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.